Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another installation video. Today, like I was stating before, I like to keep my vehicles equipped with stock OEM parts, and today is gonna be no different. Today we're gonna be installing a tonneau cover on my 2020 Ram Laramie. So as I said, I'm gonna be using an OEM tonneau cover from Chrysler. I'm gonna include the part number in the description of the video, and I'm gonna put a link down in the description below. If you're interested, you can look it up for your vehicle. And without further ado, let's get started. This is the tonneau cover that I'm gonna be installing today. I never done this before, and I don't even have an instruction how to do it. Just the way you see it, that's how I received it. And we're gonna be learning as we go. I didn't buy this brand new. I got this from a friend of mine. He purchased his truck and he wanted to get a more rugged one with a hard top. So he took this one out. It's a literally brand new piece. So I purchased it from him. So like I said, I don't have an instruction how to install it, so we're gonna learn as we go. The way you see it, that's how I received it. So let's get started and figure it out how we're gonna be installing this on the truck. Alright guys, so like I said, it should be that hard to install. First thing what we have to do is put it on top like so. There's a couple of stops here, and you're gonna need to put those stops up against to the bed over here. Make sure it's all the way up against, like so. You can back up and make sure the tonneau cover is on the center. Look both sides. Then you can unhook those and unfold it and center it out nice and equally, like so. Okay guys, once you center it, those two stops that I showed you earlier, make sure they're up against to the bed on the inside from both sides, and take a look at back on the other side. Make sure it's good on the center, and make sure that the stop is up against. Okay, once you do that, here is the bump stops right here, what I was telling you about. You gotta be up against there, and here is the clamp right here, and all you have to do is, let's see, pull this back and this goes over. There is a little yellow thing goes underneath, and you pretty much just snap it into the place, and that's gonna hold it down. That's about it. This is as simple as can be. See? And it's locked down in place. Okay? Okay, and here is the other side over here. You're gonna do the same thing, just pull out and clamp it. We're gonna clamp it in place. Up against everything. Wow, this was easier than I thought. The clamp sets in place, it hold it up, and it's locked over here, so it's not moving anywhere. Here is the clamps. Here is the bump stops I was telling you about. You gotta go up against to the bed. Here is the other bump up against to the bed. Clamp is clamped in place. So after you get that secure underneath that, like I was telling you about with the clamps and the bumps are up there, the cover is like this. So all you have to do is flip that over, flip that one more time, and over here you got two more clamps like that. So that being said, the installation is pretty much done. Let's see how this is gonna, you lock it down, and there you go. So if you wish about, if you have something to load in your truck and you need this to be open, all you have to do is drop this down. Here. There is a lever here, you pull the lever on the other side, that pops up, and you can roll this back. So you undo the clamps, you flip it over, they lock in place like so, lock the other one in place, like so. You flip it one more time, you got these straps over here, you can lock it in place. you can drive down the freeway with open tonneau cover if you have some load to carry in your bed. Other than that, you're gonna unfold it. And also I forgot to mention that over here you got a rubber seals, just like you find on your doors over here. The rubber seals on your doors that waterproofing your doors not to get wet inside. Same thing you got on this tonneau cover right here. Okay guys, I came out here in this empty subdivision. I'm just gonna do a walk around the truck, show you the tonneau cover, and like I said, this was a breeze to install. Really, I couldn't even believe it. There was literally 2 stops on the front and 4 clips, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Locks down in place. It's really nothing to it to install, but I like it. I mean, I don't have no experience with any other brands for a tonneau covers. This is the only one I have ever had, and as far as a tonneau cover go on a truck, and it's like I say, OEM mopar part number. I'm gonna put everything down in the description below. You check it out. But now I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna come out and walk around the truck and show you what does it look like. It looks like it's gonna do its thing, you know. It's nice and bow on a top. It's not flat, it's bow, so the water's gonna run off of it, and it's got like a 2 bridges, I'm sorry, over the one on the middle, so it won't collapse. Looks like it's a nice fine piece. As far as the price go from a dealer, guys, this is like $1,250. It's very expensive. You can get it on an online mopar store. I think it goes for like a $855, and that's still expensive, guys. So you can find something similar to this one online, aftermarket knockoff from this one, and they go for like a $250 and whatnot. But that being said, I do not know how that gonna compare to this mopar product. I have no idea, no way of knowing, but I can just tell you that this over here, the vinyl or the leather, whatever that top is on top, looks like a very high quality. Got a rubber weather protection around it where it seals down to your bed of your truck. Looks like it's sealed halfway decent in my opinion, to not let the water go in. So it looks like a nice piece, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna walk around now and show you how the product looks on a truck. So enjoy this walk around. all I got for you for this video. I hope you like it. And I almost never ask this in my channel, but if you like what you see, please hit the like button, subscribe, and most importantly, hit the notification bell, so that way you're gonna be notified when I upload another video. Have a good day, and I will see you soon with another video. Have a good one. Bye.